Derma's cleansers and exfoliator gommages ensure that skin is perfectly cleansed. Pour about 1 to 1.5 teaspoons of cleanser into palm, add a few drops of water and apply to skin in gentle circular motion. Massage skin with cleanser for 30 to 45 seconds and rinse off thoroughly with cold water and pat dry. As a gommage exfoliator, apply the cleanser to skin but leave on for 2 to 3 minutes until semi-dry. Then slough, not wash, the cleanser off with dry hands in upward motions until cleanser is peeled off fully. Rinse finally with cold water to remove excess.